Welcome to Show Us Your Shed with Martha. So that's a little taste of Show Us Your Shed. I've been very fortunate in the small bike community to meet some amazing people from around the world doing amazing stuff in their sheds, building bikes, restoring bikes, customizing bikes, collecting bikes, you name it, man. There's a small bike community out there everywhere. So if you want to share your shed with us and probably the rest of the world, it's really just for fun. You don't get paid, we don't make money from it, it's just because we love doing it. Yeah, show us your shed, man. We'd love to hear from you. www.my50.com. Get in touch. We'd love to see what you're doing in your shed.